Welcome to learning activity number 6. So the purpose of this learning activity is to get you moving with the process of research for your paper. As you remember in learning activity 5, we listed potential topics and we brainstormed topics to help you get the ball moving. In this learning activity, I want you to actually begin the process of research. Now, research is an important component of this final essay as it pertains to English 101. What you're going to learn is you'll find some research that will be specific to your topic by looking at local newspapers or just by using Google. All right. So say, for example, you are concerned about the litter in Durand Eastman Park. You could search litter Durand Eastman Park, Rochester, New York. And you might get lucky and find a couple local newspapers, for example. Now, you also need to use a scholarly source. Now, you're not going to find a scholarly source on litter in Durand Eastman Park in Rochester. Instead, you want to think more generally and find a scholarly source that addresses litter in maybe American parks and what kind of solutions people have proposed to solve the litter problems in a general sense at American parks. How then could you then implement that solution or build on that solution and then apply it to Durand Eastman Park in Rochester? All right, so just kind of a general source, you want to begin with the newspaper, all right? This will be kind of moving kind of specifically into your topic. If you can't find something specifically, you might be able to find an article about litter in another park or Monroe County parks in general. Create a works cited entry. You can use the Purdue OWL. The link is located here. And then beneath the works cited entry, write a short summary of the article, paraphrase the thesis, and include its major supporting ideas. You also want to use the MCC Libraries database for looking at the scholarly source. Like I said before, it's unlikely you're going to find a scholarly article about your specific topic, but it cannot hurt to try it. My guess is that you probably won't find something. So you then want to think more generally, all right? And I say that right here, in a more general way. You then want to create a works cited source, all right, and use Purdue OWL. Now make sure you're fulfilling the requirements for this essay using the appropriate amount of sources. This will just help you get the ball rolling. Also, think about your thesis or your solution is building on what you've learned in your research. Your thesis will emerge from your research, okay? So your research has to come first, and then you build on the solutions that have already been proposed or at least revise them in a significant way.